This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sharon Alexander. Nicely cared for and updated home in the 55-plus Quail Hollow community with a large recreation center and in-ground pool. Spacious floor plan with a huge living room and dining room. Nice kitchen with lots of storage and counter space. Family room with a slider to covered deck. Master suite with DBL closets and a full bath including a garden tub and walk-in shower. Newer carpeting and exterior painting. 55-plus Park West/Space rent $918 per month. For more information, review the details below or contact Sharon Alexander at 503-666-2020.